Hey food lovers, welcome back to today. We're diving into a dish that's rich in flavor, history, and culture. Rendang Ayam. Most of you have probably heard of beef rendang, but did you know there's a version made with chicken? Rendang Ayam is a unique twist on the traditional Indonesian dish, and it's packed with some fascinating facts you probably didn't know. Let's explore this incredible dish, step by step, with a few surprises along the way. Rendang Ayam is an Indonesian chicken stew that's slow-cooked in coconut milk and a rich mixture of spices. It hails from the Minangkabau ethnic group of West Sumatra. The cooking process can take hours, but the end result is tender, flavorful chicken that's been infused with the deep, aromatic spices of Indonesian cuisine. While beef rendang is more famous internationally, Rendang Ayam is beloved for its lighter yet equally complex flavor. Rendang's origins go back over 400 years, tracing its roots to the Minangkabau people in West Sumatra. This dish was originally cooked for special occasions like weddings and religious ceremonies. Back then, people would cook rendang for long hours, which not only helped preserve the food for long journeys but also intensified the flavors. In fact, traditional rendang could last for weeks without refrigeration, thanks to the cooking process and the natural preservatives in the spices. Rendang Ayam is a spice lover's dream. The secret to its unforgettable taste lies in the blend of spices that go into the dish. It typically includes turmeric, galangal, lemongrass, and ginger. But what makes rendang special is the balance between sweet, savory, and spicy flavors. Each ingredient has a purpose, not just to season the chicken, but to add layers of complexity that make the dish so unique. One thing that sets Rendang Ayam apart is the use of coconut milk. It's what gives the dish its creamy texture and rich flavor. The coconut milk slowly reduces during the cooking process, coating the chicken with a thick, flavorful sauce. In Indonesian cuisine, coconut milk is more than just an ingredient. It's a symbol of life and abundance, and it plays a central role in many traditional dishes. Rendang Ayam isn't a dish you can rush. The cooking process is long and slow, sometimes taking over 3 hours, but that's what gives the dish its signature depth of flavor. In Minangkabau culture, preparing rendang is seen as a test of patience and skill. The longer you cook it, the better it tastes. This slow cooking method allows the chicken to absorb all the rich flavors of the spices and coconut milk, making it tender and juicy. Here's something you might not know. In Minangkabau tradition, the type of rendang you serve can be a reflection of your social status. In the past, only the wealthy could afford beef rendang, so chicken rendang became a more common choice for families. However, both versions of the dish are now enjoyed by everyone, regardless of social class. Now, let's get into the fun part, cooking Rendang Ayam. You'll need chicken, coconut milk, and that amazing blend of spices we talked about earlier. First, we're going to sauté the spice paste until it's fragrant, then we'll add in the chicken and coconut milk. Remember, slow cooking is key. We'll let this simmer until the sauce reduces and coats the chicken. Host shows each step in detail. Browning the chicken, adding the spices, and slow cooking the dish. Rendang, both beef and chicken versions, has traveled far beyond Indonesia's borders. It's considered one of the most beloved Indonesian dishes worldwide. In fact, in 2011, beef rendang was named the world's most delicious food by CNN's readers in an online poll. Chicken rendang, while not as globally famous, is gaining popularity due to its lighter, more accessible flavor, especially in countries like Malaysia and Singapore. Did you know there are different stages in the cooking process of rendang? The first phase is calio, where the sauce is still quite wet and the flavors are less intense. If you keep cooking and reducing the sauce further, you reach the final rendang stage, where the sauce almost completely evaporates, leaving a rich, thick coating on the chicken. Both stages are delicious, but the longer you cook it, the more intense the flavors become. Once your Rendang Ayam is finished, it's traditionally served with steamed rice, and sometimes with a side of sambal for an extra kick. The rich, coconutty sauce and tender chicken make for a truly unforgettable meal. Host takes a bite, savoring the taste. One of the most interesting aspects of rendang, including Rendang Ayam, is its natural preservative quality. The combination of spices and the long cooking process means that the dish can be kept unrefrigerated for several days, and it actually gets better with time. This made it perfect for long journeys, and that's one reason why rendang became so popular among travelers and traders. Rendang Ayam is more than just a meal, it's a part of Indonesia's rich culinary heritage. With its deep flavors, slow cooking tradition, and fascinating history, it's a dish that's as rewarding to make as it is to eat. If you've never tried it, I highly recommend giving it a go in your kitchen. Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey into Indonesian cuisine. While beef and chicken rendang are the most popular, there are various types of rendang made with different proteins across Indonesia. You can find rendang made with lamb, duck, or even fish. These variations highlight the versatility of the rendang cooking method, proving that it's not just limited to beef or chicken. Each type of meat introduces its own texture and flavor to the dish, allowing rendang to adapt to local tastes and ingredients. In Indonesian culture, rendang isn't just about food, it's also about community. Preparing rendang is often a group effort, especially during festivals, family gatherings, or village events. The slow cooking process provides an opportunity for social bonding, where family members or neighbors come together to help with the preparation, discuss local matters, and share stories while waiting for the rendang to finish. Rendang, including Rendang Ayam, is a signature dish at Padang restaurants across Indonesia and Southeast Asia. Padang restaurants specialize in Minangkabau cuisine, and they serve their dishes in an unusual manner called hadang. When you sit down at a Padang restaurant, the staff brings out a variety of small plates, including rendang, and you only pay for what you eat. This method allows people to sample different rendang styles in one sitting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more international food adventures. Drop a comment below if there's a dish you want to see next, and if you make Rendang Ayam, let me know how it turned out. See you in the next video.